Lawyer Ruslan Ryaboshapka has replaced Yuriy Lutsenko, and Prosecutor General of Ukraine. Late in the evening of August 29, his appointment voted 312 deputies. Reboot and system update promised Mr. Ryaboshapka to do in the GPU, speaking in Parliament before his appointment. The Prosecutor General's office should not quarrel with other law enforcement agencies, he said. Before the appointment of former Prosecutor General Yuriy Lutsenko was very positive about the professional and personal qualities of the master of Ryaboshapka, offering him any advice, if he is in need. In 2010, when President Yanukovych, he joined the Secretariat of the Cabinet, where he headed a newly created Bureau of Anti-Corruption Policy. Then was the Deputy Director of the department used besides. During the years of its operation, I tried to talk about the problems of the agency, including the public. However, the lack of timely and proper response both in the national agency and outside, has led to the need to take drastic measures to jumpstart. He explained his decision. Ruslan Ryaboshapka, one of the first members of the team of Vladimir Zelensky, the future president, presented him as an expert on law enforcement and anti-corruption policy in April 2019. We have established a professional relationship. In 2010, Bogdan went to the cabinet, and after some time asked me to head the Bureau of Anti-Corruption Policy Secretariat of the Cabinet of Ministers, told about the work with Bogdan Ruslan Ryaboshapka, in an interview. UA. He believes that Andrei Bogdan can counteract the effects of the businessman Kolomoisky. Although Bogdan was his lawyer, he may talk about it, but I think if Igor will try to have some private benefit from the state, Bogdan will tell him no. Don't feel any discomfort that I have to do on the post of the Prosecutor General if this fact will happen, said Ryaboshapka in an interview with Channel 24 in early August. Ryaboshapka does not consider it necessary military prosecutor's office, in which he is fundamentally at odds with the current chief military prosecutor Anatoly Macios. Ryaboshapka also expressed dissatisfaction with how the reform of the courts and police, therefore, it is possible, for Attorney General to try to influence it. In general, promises to act with fire and sword, the changes will impose and implement. Somewhere, with fire and sword, and somewhere the soft power of persuasion. But these changes will be, and I would not advise anyone to resist these changes.